Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am so excited to be sharing this with you because I've seen people ask me about this. Do a Jamaican currency breakdown, because I know some people come to Jamaica and then they kind of just floss with their money and they wish that it could have been different. They could have saved more, they could have done more, they could have been more. But I'm just gonna give you a breakdown on what to expect when you go certain places in Jamaica, how to save your money so that you can do more, go to more excursions, and just a whole understanding of how we use Jamaican currency. I know the Jamaican currency is like 150 upwards to $1. So you feel like, you're living like a queen or a king coming to this country. Go back and put that money back in the bank and say, yeah, you can even get another trip. I know you want to enjoy yourself, but let's enjoy ourselves responsibly. Can I get an amen? Yeah. Welcome back again, guys. This is our Jamaican currency and I'm going to explain each one to you right now. First, we have the $1. It is the smallest amount, and this is the front, and then the back. It really can't do anything, but we still have it just in case. Next, we have the $5. After the $1 is the $5. We really don't have anything to do with this too, because it's just been there in case we need just the extra money. $10 is oh god, all the coins really make no sense to me, but it's handy when you do need to give or make up mostly. And this is the back of the coin. It's really equivalent to your coins in your country, so keep in mind that. And this is the $20. The last coin is the strongest of the coins, and yeah, it has more weight. So finally, we have the $50 note. This is the first note. It is the smallest of the notes. We move on to the $100, and I'm going to explain each one and how you can use it later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned. That's the $500, sorry. And then we have the $1,000 bill, and finally the $5,000 bill. Now the $5,000, the equivalent to it is five $1,000. I guess you can do the math. It's quite easy, guys. And then the equivalent to $1,000 is two $500, and the equivalent to the $1. Now I'm going to move into the US dollar note now. $1, you have $152 right now. So you'd have one 100, 150, and then two $1. You remember the dollar coins that I said don't matter? Yeah. If you want to ball like that with many $50, then $1 equals three $50. And then if you want, you can also use one $100 note, and then two $20 coins and one $10 coin. So moving on, we have the $20 coin. The equivalent to a $20 coin is two $10. I think you can just do the math like I said. Equivalent to one $20 is four $5. The $10 has a breakdown of fives and ones, and one $10 coin equates to two $5. So now we're going on to the $5 US, and that equates to one 500 note plus two 100 notes plus one 50 note, and that all totals to $750. Next, you have the $1,000 note. So if you have $1,000, don't be worried because you can get back change. So before it was $750, so you'd get back $250. The $10 note equates to one $1,000 and one $500 note, and that is $1,500. If you want to use two $1,000 notes, you should get back between $500 and $450 change. So for the $10 note again, US, if you want, you can use one $5,000 and get back change. Now for $100, you're going to have three $5,000 notes, which is $15,000, or you can use $15,000 notes to equate to $15,000 again. Please remember that this is the 150 to $1 exchange rate. And if you have $500 for some strange reason, you can use 30 $500 notes. Or you can mix it up a bit and use one $5,000 note and five $1,000 notes. And there you have it.